Today, as we've went through COVID, certainly business costs have went up. I mean, everything from gasoline to materials to supplies to shortages. I think for the most part, customers understand because they've experienced those delays, those cost increases in some other portion of their life. They know it's not us. These costs, we have to pass them on. We can't absorb the cost of gasoline. It's a cost of doing business. Because we communicate well with our customers and they trust us, we haven't had big issues.